In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Figma. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Keep that tab open in the background. Some plugins rely on a web interface, and this keeps everything ready. Next, open your design in Figma. Load the file where you want curved text to appear so you can see your canvas and choose exactly where the result should land. It helps to zoom to the area where the text will go and to take note of your brand font and size so you can match them in the plugin later. Now, click Actions inside Figma to bring up the command palette. This is the quick search bar that lets you find tools and to plugins without hunting through menus. If you don't see it immediately, it appears at the top of your Figma window and you can open it again whenever you need to run something. In the search bar, start typing curved text, then select the plugin when it appears and choose Run. Double-check the spelling as you type so the correct plugin shows up, and make sure you're on the plugin section of the results so you don't open a similarly named command by mistake. When the plugin window opens, enter your text in the provided field. You can then adjust its curve using the controls you see there. Increase the radius for a gentle arc or decrease it for a tighter bend. Flip the direction if you need the text to arc the other way, and tweak letter spacing and size to keep the text legible along the path. Take a moment to preview how it will sit in your layout so it complements your design rather than crowding it. Once you're happy, click Import to Figma. The plugin will place the curved text onto your current page so you can move it, align it with other elements, and fine-tune colors and effects. If it lands slightly off, just drag it into place and consider locking a duplicate in your Layers panel as a backup before you continue editing. That's the process. Open the Figma website, open your design, use Actions to find the Curve Text plugin, run it, enter your text, adjust the curve, and import it back into Figma. Follow these steps for clean, editable curve type that fits your layout.